Today I will guide you step by step on how to export, import and delete all saved passwords from Google Chrome on your PC. First I open Google Chrome from my desktop. Then I click the three dots in the top right corner and selected settings from the menu. When the setting page opened, I clicked on autofill and password from the left side menu. After that I clicked on Google Password Manager and all my saved passwords appeared. On the left side, I clicked on Setting inside the Password Manager. Here, there was an option called Export Password with a download button next to it. I clicked the download button, entered my PC password to confirm, and my file manager opened. I typed a name from the file and saved it. This file now contains all the saved passwords from my Google account. Next, if you want to import passwords, there is an import password option with a select file button. I clicked select file, choose another password file from my computer and clicked open. All the passwords from that file were successfully imported into my Google account. There was also an option called delete all Google Password Manager data with the delete button next to it. I clicked on it and confirmation pop-up appeared. I pressed cancel because I did not want to delete my password, but if someone wants to remove everything, you can click confirm. This is how you export, import and delete saved passwords in Google Chrome. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss my next tech guide.